gift boxes are ready. Christmas Gift Express Station.
This is the last gift delivery.
Hello!
Out onto the train.
Ha!
Gift boxes neatly stocked.
Bye!
Merry Christmas!
A few moments later.
Hello!
Hello!
Oh, I'm sorry.
Mario, how are you delivering the gifts?
Mario needs to be more careful with the deliveries. Whoa. Snowy Town. Curious about this town. Oh, everywhere is covered in white snow.
I'm about to have turkey.
Mario dreams of turkey too early.
Oh no!
The train has been blocked by the snow. Okay, I'm coming right there.
Will the snow cone handle the job?
It's too cold.
Oh!
Snowy Town.
Hello!
Let's back up the train. I'll handle the snow.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Snow is neatly pushed aside quickly. Whoa! The snow has been cleared on both sides of the truck. House number 99. The train continues to deliver the last gift box. Oh!
No.
Strong wind has caused confusion.
Hey, you.
Hello!
Sorry, but this is not my house address. Oh no!
House number 99 is over there.
So frustrating.
Both the road and the railway have been damaged.
I need materials to build a bridge. Can you help me transport them?
Wow!
Okay.
And many colorful wooden bars. Little colorful castles.
Hello!
Hey, let's go.
Mario, is this about motivation for a princess or responsibility? Anyway, the only solution is a bridge, right? Gradually completed. The bridge is Whoa! Let's see the result. It's really beautiful.
Okay, let's go.
Now, it's time
Bye.
to deliver the gifts to the princess.
Hey! Hello!
This time, it's the right address, isn't it?
Hello.
Indeed, a memorable delivery.
Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Captain is transporting hay somewhere. Ah, it's hay for the cattle.
Hello!
Oh, the cows are being picky about the hay. Hey, what do they want? Whoa, whoa! A hay baler? Looks quite professional. Let's see how the hay is baled. In sections. Oh, the hay is cut into small and even.
Uh-oh! Oh!
Mario, be careful! What's going on with the cows?
Okay, okay, let's go.
I think we need a hay baler.
Whoa, whoa!
Hello!
The hay baler is brought to the farm.
Let's go.
Hello, hello, hello! Ah!
Okay, okay, let's go.
Go cut the hay.
Wait.
The grass is growing tall and thick.
Okay, okay, let's go.
Lika. Wherever the hay cattle grows, the grass is neat.
You come and transport the hay.
Let's go. Okay. Oh, hello. Let's go.
Large bales of hay are loaded onto the truck. The hay baler starts working.
Hello!
Oh, each hay bale is compact and uniform. Wait. Now, there's no worry about tall grass or wind blowing it. A new day of work begins. Nevertheless, what's wrong with Mario? Doesn't Mario want to work?
Aha!
Mario thinks of something. Mario starts. Is the soil too dry and hard?
Let's try something else.
Hey, let's go.
It's not like that.
Oh, no!
Hey.
Ah! Aha!
Whoa! What's strange?
Okay, let's go.
Where is Mario going? Whoa! Come on, Mario. Focus on the main task.
Oh, no!
Hey.
Oh no, I need help.
Out of gas warning.
Okay, let's go.
Give me the address. I'll be right there. My car is out of gas. Can you help me tow it? It's just a small thing. Thank you, buddy. Hello, Mario. Hello, Hawk.
Seems like Mario's car is too heavy. It's really hard.
Let's go.
Hawk helps Mario tow the car to the gas station. Here it is! Finally arrived at the gas station.
Goodbye.
Gas is full. Mario continues on his way.
Do you have something to deal with dry and hard soil? How can I help you, Mario?
Looks like a rake, doesn't it?
Okay.
What is this?
Goodbye.
Let's see how Mario uses it. Attach it to the car like this, huh? I wonder if it can quite effective actually. Handle the hard soil. Oh! Now Mario can sow seeds. The soil becomes much softer. Just what Mario wanted. The seeds are evenly scattered on the farm. The seeds are spread evenly on the ground. The final rake is also useful. The seeds are buried in the soil.
Many months later.
Every fruit is fresh and juicy. And the result is... wow! A beautiful fruit garden!
Hey, Hawk. Do you want to taste the fruits I planted?
Whoa, whoa! Planting fruit is hard, but the
Wow! Very impressive.
result is delicious. Oh, well now they know. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Let it go, let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go. I don't turn away and slam the door. Out there, let the storm rage on. What they're going to say. The cold never bothered me. This cow is moving towards Elsa's house. My, it's not okay. Oh. Oh no! Cows are destroying Elsa's flower garden.
First the cow owner. Give me the flower garden. Where are you? Go away. We have garden.
Stop quickly, you hateful thing!
Just wait. You will know my hand. I'm so angry. That's it. I'll plant flowers high.
Okay, stop crying.
These are the materials Elsa needs to make a raised flower garden. Elsa started cleaning and replanting the flower garden. These are the supports.
I want to make a tall flower garden.
Line up neatly. They're planted deep into the ground. On the shelf, firmly. The flower growing bases are placed first. Now, it's time to plant flowers. I wonder if we can avoid cows. Wow! A beautiful elevated flower garden. It's good because the cow crept closer to the flower garden. Cows can't destroy the flower garden. The cow left angrily. But, the flower garden is so high that Elsa cannot water it. What is it? An overhead watering system. Don't know how the system works? Soaks the flower bulbs. Wow! Water. Oh, we can't move. Impressive. The movement helps the flower to be watered evenly. From now on, Elsa can rest assured about the flower garden.
Oh no! Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
Hey, 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 hey.
Oh, I'm sorry.
오케이.
哈哈，对哦，有没有人西班牙这个圣歌？
Hello! Bye!